Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the Qatar National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.qnb.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Qatar National Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the online banking option, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the internet banking option. After you click on the internet banking option, you'll be further guided to another window. In this window, click on the register now button, which is located in the new user tab. Once you click on the register now button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your debit card number here, your debit card pin here, and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you will be guided to another page which will help you to register into the Qatar National Bank. I hope this video helped you to register into the Qatar National Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.